What's up mga amiga, mga amigo? Di ana po mi mga amigo, mga amiga, search mig Miss Kusina. Tawagon na tong Contestant number 1, go!
Hi! I'm here. I cooked the fried fish. Oh, please.
Anta sa tag?
Oh, dry fish ang bibulat.
Sige na di. Upo din po diha. No, bali-bali da. She bali-bali da fish he fried. Oh my god.
Oh my God, this is my recipes.
This is our abuhan. Abuhan using firewood. Oh, this is the model.
Hi!
The number 1 model.
Contestant number 2, the booty works. The contestant number 2, the booty wood one, wearing a yellow t-shirt. Dang 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 dang. Dang 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 dang. Say hi.
I'm the Butyot one.
What is your doing here there?
I'm Balihays the fried
Fish.
fish. Uy, it's already cooked naman.
Oh, you how nice.
Yeah, I will organize this one. And
Ready to eat na na.
oh. This is our This is our fried fish. Only 4.
Only 4.
This also
Because we are poor.
4. Next, I will haon.
Okay. You put the plate.
This one.
Oh, this one.
Over there.
Then
Then put in the
table.
table.
And one.
A few moments later.
Now it's the time to fold the dress of my mother so that I will put it in the cabinet bag. Oh my god, this is my sister. And beside me is my sister.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Uy, ice cream! Hi!
Finish na guys.
I'm finished doing my work. Now is the time to sleep. My tiyan. What happened to my tiyan? My tiyan is
Very big.
like wearing a salbabida. Oh my gosh. Is this a tiyan? Or is this a salbabida? Is this a tiyan? Guys, it's okay guys, have a big tummy than
Small tummy.
very payat.
Thin.
Very thin tummy. That means
No
you have
eat, no eat.
you have no food to eat. Right? Right.
Even 4, but my tummy is very big.
Oh, even we are very poor. Even we are very poor, but my tummy is very big. I don't know what is inside. Maybe it's
Cholesterol.
a hangin. Maybe it's many air inside. Oh my gosh.
Even though we have no money, but my tummy is very big.
But don't think guys na my tawag ano sa mong tummy?
Inside my tummy.
What's inside my tummy? Or maybe you think that my inside my
Like,
tummy is
a baby.
worm or tapeworm. I don't think so.
Tapeworm. Tuyok inside the tummy.
The tummy maybe not. But if you have a tapeworm, your tummy is not too big because
Kaunan mo sa tip.
your food inside is eating the earthworm. Oh, your food inside is eating the earthworm. Oh, the
Earthworm?
tapeworm. Oh, that's why your tummy is very thin.
Bisay mo. Oh, guys.
Pero kita rin nga buwag.
You understand na lang sa among English because we have kuana wa makeup sana.
I speak English, guys, because my sister is from Canada. Yeah.
But
He didn't
understand speak science.
mini Bisaya. So that's why I speak English sometimes. But sometimes he understand Bisaya, but sometimes he is loading
She like
balode.
this.
She's loading
She
when she's not understand Bisaya. He's
but because she came from
Canada.
the
Canadian.
yeah, from the mountain of Ararat.
Ararat from Canada. From Canada. Ay, Lord, saan na lang.
Ikaw, no? Kung yung mga establish ka, bakit ako mo ang English eh? Tanong na naman ka na English.
Bitaw na.
Pero wala ng mga bata kung ikang
But
English.
if we speak every time English dialect, maybe we can
Fluent.
speak fluently speaking.
Speak fluent English.
Bitaw, guys. We nagtuon bitaw mig in English, guys. Kay
You practice speak English, guys.
Kay maybe
We go to the
another vlog. If maybe next vlog we speak English na, so that the other country ba will understand, because other country
I don't know how
they don't know how to understand Bisaya.
speak Bisaya.
Understand. They don't know the Bisaya language. What? They don't know how to understand. How sa day? They don't know. They know.
Nani
They
pa?
know.
No.
They cannot know.
They cannot
Understand.
speak Bisaya.
Di cannot yan, di cannot.
They don't know.
They cannot. They come here. The flag is here. Oh.
Nara.
Kita mana?
Kami na ko sa storya.
Hey, hello.
Oh, hello.
Anything I can do for you?
Ah.
I came from Hartford, but I
Came from
They
the
cannot understand Bisaya. That's why we speak English sometimes. I don't know if
Kay our father came from the
Canada.
Canada.
That's why sometimes we speak.
Nagko natin
Yes. Yes.
Yan sa naman napit na naman ang pana.
Guys, that is all for the day, guys. Mora to among vlog. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for another
Next
vlog.
vlog.
Bye.